And this is the last lecture of our series. And here we are gonna compare the different RMSE for the different models, and we are gonna choose which model has done better than other models on the testing dataset. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna create the list with the all RMSE for different models, and we are gonna create the dataset. Once we have our list, now we can create the dataset, the data frame, and we are gonna call it RMSE frame. Once we have this list, we need to give the name to this lists and RMSE names. We're gonna call it linear, logarithmic, and polynomial. And next step is going to create the data frame. Here we are making sure that the names list is corresponding to RMSE column name, and the values column name corresponding to RMSE list. If you have difficulties with this lecture, you can download the pandas cheat sheet that I'm gonna leave for you as at the end of this lecture or at the beginning of this lecture, of all the lectures. So you can download that cheat sheet and use that in order to understand how to create the datasets and data frames, how to manipulate them. And also we might have in the future the course about the pandas, and it's about the in future. I will let you know if we create at the end launch that course. So the results, as you see, the results are interesting. The logarithmic is the first place, and the polynomial is better than linear because we have seen that there's a pattern that is going to reflect the polynomial regression. And the last one is the linear because obviously the original dataset didn't have linear pattern, linear relationship.